In this video, we are going to complete Module 4 Lab 2 by drawing this in AutoCAD. So the first thing we are going to do is draw this bottom boundary. So we'll go to AutoCAD, and we know that this is 50 feet, this is 8 inches, and this is 7 feet, 1 inch. So go here, go to rectangle, to specify first corner point, we'll do 0, 0, enter. Then we'll go down here and click dimensions. So we'll do 50 feet, enter, and then we'll do 8 inches, enter. All right, and then you have to make sure to left click on this quadrant. We don't want it down here, we want it right here. Then we will draw another rectangle. The first corner will be right here. We'll do dimensions again, do 50 feet, enter by, it was 7 feet, 1, and you don't have to put the inches sign because it assumes that it's inches. So enter, and then it says specify other corner. We want this quadrant, so left click there. Now we are going to draw these lines right here. So we are going to select offset. We're going to offset this line for 14 feet, and then 11 feet, and then 14 feet this side. So first we need to explode our rectangle. So it'll only offset this line right here instead of the entire rectangle. So we'll go to offset, type in 14 feet, enter, offset this over here by 14, this line over here by 14, escape, then we'll hit space to re-offset, and then we want to type in 11 feet, enter, go from here to here, left click, and then the door is only 3 feet from this line, so escape, offset 3 feet, enter, and then, all right, then escape, and then we need to extend these lines down. So go to left click, extend, and then we'll right click to select all objects, then hover over that line, and hover over that line, escape, all right. And then we need to finish our door right here. We see that it is 6 feet, 8 inches tall. So here, we can do a, let's just draw a line and then offset that line. So draw a line there, escape, offset, and what was that again? 6 feet, 6 feet, 8 inches, enter, offset this line, then left click, escape, go to our trim, so right click, trim, trim there, all right, escape, and then we'll go up here, or go to our PDF, and we see we need to draw this right here, so we know it's an extra 1 feet by 6 inches out on both sides. So let's do that. All right, so we can draw a line. We'll turn on our orthogonal mode. Okay, we know that is 1 feet, 6. Okay, and then if we go back to our PDF, we know that it's 6 inches tall. So 6 inches, all right, and then escape, go over here and do the same thing. So 1 feet, 6 inches, then up by 6 inches, enter, and then connect these two, escape, and then we will draw, let's go up by 6 feet and then over by 12 feet. so we know where to draw this line. So, all right, to go back to AutoCAD, click here, go up by 6 feet, then over by 12 feet, right? And then hit escape. And then we'll do that on the other side. Up by 6 feet, over by 12 feet. And then we'll just connect these two, escape. Then we can actually just delete these lines right here. Delete. I'm just using delete on my keyboard. Then we'll do a line. So turn our ortho mode off. That connects this point to this point. Escape, and then space bar to rerun the command. This point to this point. Escape. And then the last step is we need to draw these lines also with this right here. So we know that this is 14 feet, and then we want to 14 plus 1 feet 6 inches. So we can offset this line by 15 feet 6 inches on both sides. All right. So it is its own line over here. So we'll go to offset 15 feet 6, enter. Do that, and we'll offset it over here. Why is that going to that point? Okay, escape. Want to delete that. Oh, I see. So it's actually 15 feet 6 inches plus this 1 foot 6 inches. So let's just draw a line actually. That's 1 foot 6 inches away from there. So we'll go to line. That is, do ortho mode on. 1 foot 6, enter. And then we can go up by our 6 inches. Okay. All right, and we'll do the same thing over here. Line, 1 foot 6, and then up by 6, enter, and then escape. And the last thing is, all right, we go back to our PDF, we need to draw these lines. You can see that this is centered between this line. So what I'll do is I'll draw a line from here to here. Then in the midpoint of that new line, I'll draw a perpendicular line. And then the intersection of that perpendicular line to this diagonal line we've already drawn, I will draw a line from here to here and repeat it on the other side. Go to your AutoCAD, we'll go to line from here to here, escape, all right, and then we will draw another line in the midpoint of this line, and just draw it straight up. We can just trim it, all right, and then at this intersection, that's where we'll draw a line from here to here. So a line from, turn our ortho mode off, from here to here, escape, and then delete that. And then we will draw that on the other side. So a line from here to here, escape, and then we'll turn our ortho mode on, a line at the midpoint of this line, draw straight up, escape, and then we will draw a line, turn your ortho mode off, from here to here, escape, and then delete that line. And then the last step is to actually draw this in an object layer. So we will go to our layer properties, create a new layer. It's called our object layer. We'll make this blue, okay? Then we will close our layer properties, select our object, click on the drop-down box, and then go to Object, then Escape.